Let's see some examples. The first one is AgNH3 2Cl. Here the cation is the complex ion, anion is the simple anion. So the cationic part should be right followed by the anion. In cationic complex, we start with the ligand's name, then followed by the central metal atom. See here ammonia ligand is present, 2 ammonia is present, so diamine. The name start with diamine. Central metal atom is the cationic complex, so the name of the cation should be written as such. So silver, its oxidation state is 1, CHLORIDE, chloride. So name of the first one is diamine silver 1 chloride. Come to the second complex, and here this is the anionic complex. So to name the complex ion, we have to start with the ligand's name. So we have to write the ligand's name first, followed by the central metal atom, and 6 ligands are present, so the prefix added here it is hexa. Cyanide ligand is present, so cyanido. Here copper term C, followed by the central metal atom. Since it is the anionic complex, to the central metal atom the suffix ate should be added. So ferrate 2 ion. Its oxidation state is 2, so ferrate 2 ion. Here come to the third one is AgNH3 twice plus. So this is the cationic complex. To name the complex, we have to start with the ligand first, then followed by the central metal atom. So diamine cationic complex. So metal name should be right as such silver. Its oxidation state is 1 ion. Come to the fourth one is CuNH34SO4. The complex is the cation, anion is the simple anion. So we have to name the cation first. The complex cation, to name the complex cation, we have to start with this ligand. We have 4 ligand, so the name should be started with the prefix tetra. So tetraamine, the next we have to follow by the ligand, central metal atom should be mentioned. So tetraamine copper. Since it is the cationic complex, we have to write the metal name as such copper. Its oxidation state is 2. Then simple anion sulfate. Come to the next complex, COEN2Cl2Cl. So this is the cationic complex, simple anion. Cationic complex, to name the complex, we have to start with the ligand, then followed by the central metal atom. We have 2 ligands here, ethylene diamine, another one is chlorine. So if the more than one ligand is present, we have to follow the alphabetical order. According to the rule, the chlorine comes first, then ethylene diamine. So dichlorido. Here ethylene diamine is present 2 molecules. So the name itself, ethylene name itself, the di prefix is there, so we have to use the term here bis. To mention the two group, we have to use the term bis. Bis, ethane 1,2, diamine, cationic complex. So the central metal atom name should be written as such: cobalt. Its oxidation state is, cobalt oxidation state here it is 3 chloride, name of the compound. The next one is CrEn thrice. So this is the complex cation. To name the complex ion, first we have to name the ligand, then followed by the central metal atom. And we are having 3 ethylene diamine molecule here. So we have to use the prefix term here, tris. Tris, ethane 1,2, diamine. It is the cationic complex, so the cation name should be written as such: chromium, its oxidation state here given as 3+, so 3 ion. Next one is K4FeCN5NO. Simple cation is present, anionic complex. So the cation should be named first. So potassium, simple cation should be named first, then followed by the anionic complex. Potassium. And see the ligand, we are having 2 ligands here, cyanide and also NO group is present. So if it is so, the cyanide 2 ligands are present, so cyanide ligands comes first, followed by the NO group. 5 cyanide ion is present, so we have to use the prefix here, penta. Potassium penta cyanado, okay, penta cyanado. Then next ligand is present as the nitrosyl group, so nitrosyl, NO group is present, nitrosyl. Since this is the anionic complex, to the central metal atom the suffix ate should be added, so nitrosyl ferrate, Ferrate, the term A2E should be added. Ferrate, its oxidation state is 3, should be mentioned within parenthesis. The last one is CONH35Cl2+. And here this is the complex cation. So if it is complex cation means the name should be started with the ligands. 2 ligands are present, one is ammonia, another one is chlorine. According to the alphabetical order, the ammonia comes first, then followed by the chlorine. So how many ammonia is there? 5 ammonia. So we have to use the term prefix here, it is penta. Penta amine, pentaamine chlorido, because only one chlorine is present, so chlorido. Central metal atom is the cationic complex, so name should be written as such: cobalt. Its oxidation state is 3, so +3